Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and Push-Button Ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, fog lamps, FWD, tires, front performance, integrated turn signal mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.